Vegas. Neon lights, late nights, and just 24 hours to take it all in. No time to waste, but first, priorities. So we just landed in Vegas, and you know the first stop we had to make, or even checking in.
In and out.
We need them In-N-Out burgers. Right now we're in In-N-Out, waiting on my double-double. This is probably not a big deal for you guys that's on the West Coast because you have this every day, but on the East Coast, we got nothing. All we got is McDonald's. So I've been craving this, waiting for this ever since landing. Beeline is straight here. Always packed.
Our stay for the night, Waldorf Astoria Las Vegas. No casino, no chaos, just class. It's a perfect location if you want to stay close to the strip but still want that peace and quiet. We ended up staying in the King Room Suite, and it was absolutely stunning. Super clean, super sleek, but we did find a few chips on the wood furniture, so I do think that they do need some renovations on a few of the rooms, but overall, this room was absolutely gorgeous.
Next to your desk and minibar selection of Waldorf Astoria Pringles and charging kit in the event you forget your charger at home. A Temptation Lovers Kit. What is in this? Condoms? Yeah, 2 premium condoms. 2 premium condoms, personal lubricator, and mini vibrator batteries included.
The bathroom was a dream. Double sinks, soaking tub, and a skyline view from your shower? Yes, please.
The hotel is filled with some great amenities. If you came to Vegas and you just wanted to hang out here for the day, I wouldn't blame you. You have a cafe on the 3rd floor, very casual style. You can come in and grab lunch, some coffee, some pastries, and if you head up to the Sky Bar level, you will find the Peacock Sky Lounge.
This luxurious lounge is the perfect spot if you want to grab a quick bite, have some afternoon tea or a specialty cocktail while overlooking the vibrant and beautiful Vegas skyline. If you want to have a little bit of relaxation time, there's also a rooftop pool available. Need a little TLC? You can stop by the spa or fitness center.
All right, so after we were done playing around with the amenities, time to fast forward into the night. Play Bar was our first stop, located inside the Luxor on the 2nd floor. You'll find that Vegas has no shortage of places to try your luck. And if you don't want to lose anything except your pride, the best place to do this is going to be at Play Bar. You don't have to worry about any real chips or real cash that you're losing. Play is a new attraction in Vegas that turns into an adults-only playground after dark. It's filled with over 20 immersive hands-on games and attractions. Not to mention, there's a bar. In this age of social media, virtual reality, and augmented reality, Play is a great place to stop in and visit to get just reacquainted with the hands-on gaming again. My favorite thing about the collection of games that they have here is that you're going to find both co-op opportunities and competitive gaming. And honestly, it's just a great spot to just let out your inner kid. If you're looking for a unique date night while in Vegas, check out Play.
After an amazing time at Play, we decided to take a breather and enjoy the whimsical display at the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. They're currently showcasing their enchanting spring exhibit called The Birds and the Bees. As you stroll through the garden, you're overwhelmed with the beautiful aroma of the flowers, arrangements, live birds, and creative sculptures. It honestly felt like I was Alice in Wonderland. On our way out, we had to stop and see the beautiful Bellagio Fountain Show. It was the perfect way to end our date night. We just came back from our work event. What amazing. And
Don't do that. Guys, we're in Vegas.
We needed something else in our system besides In-N-Out and liquor. And Toca Madera brought the heat. Literally. The vibes here definitely felt like something straight out of Tulum. The drinks were A1. You could taste the attention to detail in every sip. The food, even better. So many unique flavors like the pomegranate and the guacamole, the truffle mac and cheese. Arie's salmon was delicious, and so was my enchilada. The next day, we only had a couple hours left of our trip, so we decided to hit the strip, check out the Sphere, lost a few bucks betting on toy horses,
I won both times. You didn't listen to me.
headed to the Venetian for some people watching and to watch the gondolas, and ended our trip with a sugar bomb that could take out a small child. Is that a Laffy Taffy? In 24 hours, we ate, explored, gambled, and somehow didn't pass out. Vegas delivered. Now the only question is, how would you spend 24 hours here? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Vegas spots in the comments below.